Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get your cursor back on the screen in case your touchpad stopped working. The easiest way to unlock your touchpad is to first unlock the secondary functions of the function keys by pressing Fn and Escape buttons together and making sure that you see the locked Fn key warning. After that, press F6, and this way you can enable or disable your touchpad. Once you see touchpad enabled, try using it, and in case it doesn't work, then what you have to do is press the Windows button, then press Tab, then use right arrow key to navigate to settings. Once you have it selected, press Enter, press Tab. Once again, use down arrow key to select Bluetooth and devices. You can navigate both with down and up arrow keys. So select Bluetooth and devices and press Enter, then press Tab 5 more times until you have the devices section selected. Scroll down using down arrow key to touchpad, press Enter, and then make sure that your touchpad isn't disabled here. Now to switch this toggle that you see right here, you have to use the space bar. So now once you switch it to on, try using it, and in case this doesn't help you, press Windows button again and let's go to Device Manager. So look it up in your Start menu, then open it by pressing Enter, then use Tab to select your desktop, and then use down arrow key to navigate down to Human Interface Devices. To expand this list of these devices, use right arrow key and then look for HID compliant touchpad. It's the first option actually, ASUS Precision Touchpad. So select it, then press Enter, then press Tab several times until you have the general selected, then use right arrow key to go to driver, then press Tab several times until you have the disabled device selected, then press Enter to confirm, use left arrow key to navigate to yes, and press Enter to confirm again. Now to enable your device, press Enter and then see if it works, and if it doesn't work, then don't worry, just press Tab once again to select uninstall device, then press Enter to confirm. You can attempt to remove the driver, but then this way you'll have to reinstall it. Okay, let's actually do this. Let's attempt to remove the driver and uninstall the device. To hit the checkbox, you have to use the space bar. Okay, now your touchpad will definitely stop working until you restart your PC. Okay, so let's press Alt F4, then down arrow key to select Restart, and press Enter and wait until your device is restarted. And once your device is restarted, everything should start working well. In my case, the driver was either not deleted or reinstalled with my PC when my PC rebooted. And in case nothing helps you, then let's try to reinstall the driver for the touchpad. To do this, first we'll have to locate the exact model name of the device. It's located on the back side of the laptop, so let me show it closer to you. As you can see, I got my model name on a separate label, but if you don't have the label like this, don't worry, you still got the model name right here where I'm pointing my finger. Okay, so just write it down or take a picture of it, and let's get back to the laptop. Okay, so press Windows, then search for either search for your web browser or just press Tab and select Edge. If you don't have it uninstalled, then search for the search engine, and here let's look for the ASUS. Then use your model name that you just saw, and then input drivers. So ASUS UM3402YA drivers will find me the drivers for my laptop. Now to open their website, the ASUS official website, we'll have to press tab button until the first option, the first search result is selected. Then press enter to open this website. It has to be the official asus.com website. As you can see, okay, let me close this windows. Now let's search for the driver that we need. In our case, it's the ASUS Precision, I guess it's somewhere down here, ASUS Precision Touchpad driver. Okay, so just press tab until you have the download selected next to ASUS Touchpad driver. Just keep pressing it. Okay, now okay, let me just give me just a moment. I'm gonna select it and then return it back to you. Okay, so when you have the download button selected, it's hard to see actually, but you're gonna know. Just press enter and the download will begin. Now also I forgot to mention that you have to make sure that you select the right operational system right here, and to do that, let me go back to the beginning of the page. Okay, let me use the touchpad actually. Okay, so just to press tab until you have the, oh my god, no. Okay, so when you have this list selected, just press enter, and then you can select either Windows 11, 64-bit or others. So select which one which operational system you use, and then download this file that I just downloaded. Then you can close the website, and then let's search File Explorer in the start menu. Then use tab button to navigate to the left field with folders, and here using down arrow key navigate to downloads, then press tab to have the Precision touchpad selected. Press spacebar, press enter, then select yes, select OK, next, accept the agreement and read it. Okay, just press enter until, okay, and right now we'll have to restart the computer, so just press enter to restart it, and then wait until it's rebooted. Okay, so the laptop is restarted, and as you can see, the touchpad should start working again. And in my case it did. So right now everything should go back to normal. And right now, in case your touchpad still doesn't want to work, that probably means that you have a hardware problem, and I recommend you to either contact ASUS customer support service, or just head to the nearest repair center and let them take a look at your laptop. And that will be all for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.